Let's look at a poem from Siri Kannada, grade 7. The name of this poem is Tirukana Kanasu and it is written by Muppina Shadakshari. And this poem is in the part 2 of the book. So, Tiruka means beggar and Kanasu means dream. So, the meaning of this title is a beggar's dream. So, most of us, whenever we go to sleep, we have a dream. Sometimes it is pleasant, sometimes it is scary. We get different kinds of dreams in our sleep. So this poem is about a dream that a beggar has. So in his dream, in the beggar's dream, he becomes a king and he is leading a lavish and a wonderful life when the enemies attack him and he is scared and he opens his eyes. Means his sleep is disturbed and he comes to reality. His dream is broken and he comes to reality. So let us see. So this poem is all about the dream that he had. So let us see what are all the things he saw in his dream. And this poem is in Hale Kannada, so you have to split the words to make reading easier. This is already done in the textbook. So you can go to page 58 in the textbook, which is part 2 of the textbook. So here the words are already split, so reading them becomes easier. Now let's look at the first paragraph. Tirukanu orvanu ಊರ ಮುಂದೆ ಮುರುಕು ಧರ್ಮಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗಿರುತ್ತಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕನಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡನು ಎಂತು ಏನು ಎಂತು ಎನೆ ಪುರದ ರಾಜ ಸತ್ತನು ಅವಗೆ ವರಕುಮಾರರು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಲು ಕರಿಯ ಕೈಗೆ ಕುಸುಮ ಮಾಲೆಯ ಇತ್ತು ಪುರದ ಒಳು. ಸೊ ತಿರುಕನು ಓರ್ವನು ಊರ ಮುಂದೆ. This whole thing is actually one word which has been split now. So Tirukanu means beggar, Orva means one, a beggar. Ura munde, so in front of the village, Muruku Dharmashalayalli. So Muruku means ruined or broken, a building which is ruined or broken. Dharmashale is like a hall. It's like a hall where people are fed food for free. It's like a charitable hall where they give food to people, needy people, for free. They don't charge any money. So this beggar, he was sitting in front of a broken charitable hall. He was leaning there. Varagu means lean. He was leaning and sitting in that hall. And he falls asleep. Bondu kanasannu kandanu entu ene. And he fell asleep and had a dream. And what is that dream? So right now, entu ene means let us see what is that dream. Purada raja sattanu avage varakumararu illade iralu. So in his dream, he sees that the king of that kingdom is dead. Sattanu means died. He's died and he has no successors. Varakumararu illade iralu means he had no successors. See, usually what happens when a king dies, his son will become a king, right? But this king did not have any successors. So since he did not have any successors to the throne, what did people do? Kariya kaige kusuma maleya ittu purada volu. So they sent an elephant. Kari means elephant. They sent an elephant inside the village with a garland. The elephant was holding a garland in its trunk. Okay? So this is the first paragraph. First paragraph is, there was a beggar who was sitting in front of a broken or a ruined hall and he leans and falls asleep. And he dreams. And what was that dream? He dreamt that the king of the kingdom has died and he has no successors, and since he did not have a successor, they send an elephant holding a garland in its trunk into the village. ನಡೆದು ಯಾರ ಕೊರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡರಿಸುವುದೋ ಅವರ ಪಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಒಡೆಯರನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಪೆವು ಎಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ. ಒಡನೆ ತನ್ನ ಕೊರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡರಿಸಲ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡು ತಿರುಕ ಪೊಡವಿ ಆಣ್ಮನು ಆದೆನು ಎಂದು ಹಿಗ್ಗುತ್ತಾ ಇರ್ದನು. So they sent an elephant with the hope that ನಡೆದು ಯಾರ ಕೊರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡರಿಸುವುದೋ. So with the hope that this elephant will go and place the garland on somebody's neck. Okay? And whichever first person it places the garland on, ಅವರ ಪಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಒಡೆಯರನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಪೆವು ಎಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ. So whoever this elephant goes and garlands first, he will be coronated as the king. Okay? So this is what they think, and they send the elephant with a garland. That whoever it goes and garlands first, they will be coronated as the king. ಒಡನೆ ತನ್ನ ಕೊರಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡರಿಸಲ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡು ತಿರುಕ ಪೊಡವಿ ಆಣ್ಮನು ಆದೆನು ಎಂದು ಹಿಗ್ಗುತ್ತಾ ಇರ್ದನು. And what happened? The elephant went and put the garland on this beggar. Again, it is in his dream, not in reality. In his dream, he dreamt that the elephant is coming and garlanding his neck. And he becomes very happy that he is going to become the ruler of that kingdom. So he becomes very happy. Then the next paragraph. ಪಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನೃಪರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅವಗೆ ಕನ್ಯರನು ನೆಟ್ಟನೆ ಅವನು ರಾಜ್ಯವ ಆಳ್ದ ಕನಸಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ. ಭಟ್ಟಿನಿಗಳ ಕೂಡಿ ನಲ್ಲನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಸುಖದೊಳು ಇರಲು ಅವಂಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆದವು ಆಗಲೇ. Then ಪಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ. So they coronated him as the king. They made him the king. ನೃಪರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅವಗೆ ಕನ್ಯರನ್ನು. And usually what happens in olden days, the kings from other kingdoms, they will give their daughters in marriage. Means they will get their daughters married to the kings, married to a good king. So they made this beggar as a king, and they also gave their daughters in marriage. ನೆಟ್ಟನೆ ಅವನು ರಾಜ್ಯವ ಆಳ್ದ ಕನಸಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ. And his dream, so in his dream, he started to rule the kingdom, and he was also married to the daughters of great kings surrounding his kingdom. ಭಟ್ಟಿನಿಗಳ ಕೂಡಿ ನಲ್ಲನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಸುಖದೊಳು ಇರಲು ಅವಂಗೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆದವು ಆಗಲೇ. So he became the king of the kingdom. He was married to beautiful princesses from the neighboring kingdom. And now all this is getting him happiness. And also he gets children. Male and female children are also born to him. All this again is happening in his dream. ಓಲಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ತೊಡೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಡುತ್ತಾ ಇರಲು ಲೀಲೆಯಿಂದ ಚಾತುರಂಗ ಬಲವ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ಲೋಲನಾಗಿ ನುಡಿದನು ಇನಿತು ಕೇಳು ಮಂತ್ರಿ. ಸುತರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಾಲೆಯರನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲೆ. ಸೊ ಓಲಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ತೊಡೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಡುತ್ತಾ. So in his court, now the king is so happy. He has his kingdom, he has his wives, he has his children, and in the court the children are playing there. Okay, sitting on the lap, sitting on the thigh, and they are playing. And this king is very delighted. Iralu ಲೀಲೆಯಿಂದ ಚಾತುರಂಗ ಬಲವ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ. So, and he was very delighted with his life, and Chaturanga is the 4 groups in the army. So, in olden days, we had the army. The army consisted of soldiers who used to be on foot. Okay? Then, there were soldiers on horses, on elephants, and on chariots. So, these are the 4 groups in the army. So, he looked at the strength of his army. He was first happy with his family. He was happy that he was a king and he had a very nice family with lot of wives and children. And he also had a very strong army. He was looking at it so happily. And Lolanagi Nudidanu Initu Kelu Mantri. And he told to his ministers. Very happily he told to his ministers, Sutarugalige Baleyarannu Nodi Maduve Mada Bekale. So he says, now that my children, my sons are old enough, you all have to go and search for brides and let us get my sons married. Nodi Banniri Yenalu Jia Nodi Bandevu Yenalu Bega Madu Maduve Mantapada Olu Sakala Karyava. ಗಾಢವಾಗಿ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಗಳು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಮದುವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿದ ಅಖಿಳ ರಾಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಚ್ಚುವ ಅಂದದಿ. So now he sends his ministers as saying, go and find a suitable bride or suitable princess for my sons. So ನೋಡಿ ಬನ್ನಿರಿ ಎನಲು. So he told them, all go and search and go and find. Jiya nodi bandevu yenalu. And his ministers go and search and they come back and they tell to their master. Jiya is master or sir. They come back and they tell to him that we have found braids. So he says, then what is the delay? Let us get the wedding hall ready. Let us make all the preparations for the wedding. Ghada Lage Sambramagalu. And so they started all the celebrations of the wedding. ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಮದುವೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿದ ಅಖಿಳ ರಾಯರೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಚ್ಚುವ ಅಂದದಿ. So he made all the arrangements and preparations for the wedding in such a way that everybody, all other kings were impressed and they praised him. Then ಧನದ ಮದವು, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮದವು, ತನುಜ ಮದವು, ಯುವತಿ ಮದವು ಜನಿತಮಾಗಿ ಕನಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಗ್ಗುತ್ತ ಇರ್ತನು. ಅನಿತರ ಒಳಗೆ ನೃಪರ ದಂಡು ಮನೆಯ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದಂತೆ ಆಗಿ ಕನಸ ಕಾಣುತ್ತ ಇರ್ದು ಹೆದರಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ತೆರೆದನು. So dhana means wealth and madha means pride or ego. Okay, feeling proud, I have so much of wealth. So dhanada madavu. So he had that pride that I am so wealthy, I am so rich. Rajya Madavu. And he is again feeling proud that he rules an entire kingdom. Tanuja Madavu. He is happy with his children, with his offspring, with his sons. Then Yuvati Madavu. He is proud that he has such beautiful wives. Janita Magi. So all this pride took birth in his mind. Okay, Janita means to take birth. So all the pride that he is wealthy, the pride that he is a powerful king and he has the pride about his children and his wife. So he was feeling so proud about all these things. Kanasinalli higguta irdanu. But all this was in his dream, not in reality. So he was enjoying and loving his dream. ಅನಿತರ ಒಳಗೆ ನೃಪರ ದಂಡು ಮನೆಯ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದಂತೆ ಆಗಿ. And now suddenly in his dream, he is dreaming that other kings are coming and attacking his house or his palace. ಕನಸ ಕಾಣುತ್ತ ಇರ್ದು ಹೆದರಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ತೆರೆದನು. So that he got afraid. He got afraid that everybody is attacking him and that broke his dream and he opened his eyes wide to realize that all that he was seeing so far, all those happy and nice scenes, they're all just his dreams. And he comes back to his reality after he opens his eyes. So this is Tirukana Kanasu.